Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm bringing you something truly massive, powerful, and unique. The 2027 Ford F-350 Super Duty 6-door custom SUV, a motorhome-style luxury beast that completely redefines what a full-size SUV can be. This is not a factory-standard vehicle. This is a fully customized machine built for people who want extreme presence, serious capability, and long-distance comfort all rolled into one unforgettable package. The moment you see this vehicle, it dominates everything around it. The exterior design is bold, aggressive, and unapologetically American. Up front, you get the signature Super Duty front end with a massive grille finished in black, giving it a stealthy and intimidating look. The LED headlights are large, bright, and sharp, designed to provide excellent visibility at night while also enhancing the truck's muscular appearance. The heavy-duty front bumper is not just for looks. It's built to handle off-road abuse and often includes integrated LED light bars for night driving in remote areas. Moving along the side, this is where the vehicle truly separates itself from anything else on the road. The extended body with 6 full-size doors makes it look more like a luxury armored vehicle or a private expedition truck than a normal SUV. The length is enormous, but the design remains balanced thanks to wide fender flares, massive off-road wheels, and all-terrain tires that give it a planted, confident stance. Power deployable side steps run along the length of the vehicle, making entry and exit easy despite the high ride height. Every detail on the exterior feels purpose-built, from the reinforced mirrors to the upgraded suspension components visible beneath the body. At the rear, the motorhome-style layout becomes even more obvious. Depending on the custom build, the cargo area can be configured for luggage, camping equipment, tools, or even a full travel setup. The rear design stays clean and functional, with LED taillights, a reinforced rear bumper, and sometimes a swing-out spare tire or storage compartments. This is a vehicle made for long journeys, off-grid adventures, and serious hauling without sacrificing luxury. Now let's step inside, because this is where the 2027 Ford F-350 Super Duty 6-door custom SUV really surprises people. The cabin feels more like a high-end luxury lounge than a truck. The dashboard features a large central touchscreen with the latest infotainment system, offering navigation, vehicle controls, smartphone connectivity, and advanced off-road monitoring. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data, towing information, and terrain settings, all displayed in crisp, modern graphics. The seating layout is one of the biggest highlights. Thanks to the 6-door configuration, this SUV offers incredible interior space. The front seats are wide, heavily cushioned, and trimmed in premium leather, often with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The second and third rows provide genuine adult comfort, with generous legroom and headroom that you usually only find in full-size luxury vans or executive SUVs. Some builds even include captain's chairs, center consoles, and rear entertainment screens for passengers. Because this vehicle is designed with a motorhome concept in mind, many custom versions include additional interior features like a fold-out bed, compact refrigerator, storage cabinets, ambient lighting, and a small work or dining table. This makes the vehicle perfect for road trips, camping, or extended travel without the need for a separate RV. Sound insulation is excellent, meaning highway driving feels calm and quiet despite the vehicle's size and aggressive tires. When it comes to performance, this is where the Super Duty DNA really shines. The 2027 Ford F-350 Super Duty 6-door custom SUV is expected to offer powerful engine options, including a large displacement gasoline V8 and the legendary 6.7-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel. The diesel engine, in particular, delivers massive torque, making it effortless to move this heavy